Sir, can I make a mention with your lordship property?
You file it today. It's not very. May you make a mention tomorrow.
I don't know, make a mention. Yes, tied of bail matter. One of the court is released bail by the same report.
WPC number 4195 of 2016. This matter relates to surfacing 13.
It's a division bench matter.
Yeah.
Make a mention next tomorrow. Yeah.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
May the petitioners remanded on case on 1/11/24. Alleged offense 331 plus 4, 309 plus 4 of 3 type of BNS corresponding to 457, 392, and 34 IPC. Allegation 20,000, one mobile phone, and 2.5 grams of gold ornaments, and that will be recovery.
So I've also got one criminal antecedent.
Yeah, arrested on Tikiri PS case number 193 of 24 on dated 27/10/24 and remanded in this case. So Tikiri PS case number 191.
What is that other case?
Other case similar case. One case 193 of 24 रे आज्ञा arrest कलो, तापरे ये case रे remand.
Who acted presently absconding in them.
Here amount is 20,000.
20,000.
That was recovered.
7,500 and one single piece of gold like broken earring and mobile phone. As a recovery.
Recovered. You have got the seizure history.
Forwarding.
Forwarding report. काहाटू मिल रहा था?
It is number 1.
No, you said that they were taken on remand in that case, other case.
Other case to arrest.
से जो arrest है सती बड़े recovery है
Again.
You are in custody, both of you.
1/11/2024.
All the three were taken on remand in this case.
Again.
Are the land council for the petitioners land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioners that the petitioners are taken on remand this case on 1/11/2024 and FIR has been lodged against unknown person. The offences are traveled by magistrate and some stolen property stated to have been recovered from the possession of petitioner number 1. Lopani, alias Ugani. And after hearing the land council for the state who submitted that each of the petitioner is having one criminal antecedent of similar nature, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition appear before PS once in a week, Sunday, and for 3 months, shall not indulge in any criminal activity.
May I please your lordship? The case is under section 203 and 35 BNS, my lord.
and the theft of a vehicle. And the petitioner inside custody since 6/12/2024 manner. And he has having two criminal acts similar types.
This case is under section 380. That is,
Theft.
theft. What is the subject matter of theft?
While the informant
कौन चोरी ହେଲା mo?
motorcycle, on motorcycle.
It has been recovered.
Yes, madam.
Recover from the
Or the learning council for the
and two acted
petitioner. Learning council for the state. Considering the submission made by the learning council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 7/12/2024. Offense triable by magistrate. And after hearing the land council for the state, submitted that the petitioner has got two criminal antecedents of similar nature. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to conditions, same condition. Yes, allowed.
Item 3.
method of cultivation of NDPS Act 3 क्विंटल 305 kg.
Land council for the state 6 on time to produce the case diary and criminal antecedent. Arjun, yes, ma'am.
Item 4.
May I please, Lordship? The offence under section 21B of NDPS Act, Lordship. There are 3 kg 800 gram of contraband article measure
You are in custody
since 30/11/2024.
the land council for the petition, land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 30/11/2020. And the quantity of ganja, contraband ganja stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 3 kg 800 grams. This is lesser than commercial quantity and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. After hearing the land council for the state, I am inclined to repeat the petition on bail allowed.
Great.
Item 5.
May I please, my lord? This is a case.
23 and
20
quintal 2 kg.
Same order as item number 3, CD and criminal antecedent.
Item 6.
May I please, your lord? But here the offences are under section 310(4), 310(5), 25, 27 Arms Act. Corresponding sections are 399 and 402 IPC. Your lordship has the bail to one of the co-accused minor. Here, my lord, 7 accused persons.
4.
My lord, 310(4) and 310(5).
कहाँ को बेल दिया है?
Ajay Kumar Ojha, my co-accused.
Bail out of prosecution.
That my lord, got a car siege here. And from me, my lord,
So far as the petitioner is concerned,
my lord,
you are found at the spot.
my lord. 7 accused persons were surrounded and nabbed by police.
The antecedent is there.
No antecedent, my lord. Petitioner has no.
Land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
Past-
1
my lord,
1/12
1/12.
2020. And what was seized from your possession?
My lord, the 1 steel knife, 1 mobile phone, 2 numbers
One,
of
one?
1 steel knife,
1 knife, then
1 mobile phone,
mobile phone,
2 numbers of blades,
2 numbers of blade
my lord, and 1 torch.
and 1 torch was seized from the possession of the petitioner. And similarly situated co-accused, namely Ajay Kumar Ojha, has been directed to be released on bail by this court in DLAPL number 13055 of 2024 as per order dated 3/1/2025. And after hearing the land council for the state, we submitted that the petition was apprehended at the spot. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Complete basis filed in taken in the court. Allowed.
Item 7.
Your Lordship, seeking one week's adjournment.
You have got the case diary. Land counsel for the state has received the case diary. The land counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment for 1 week. Matter is adjourned. Next.
Obliged.
Item 8.
May I please, Your Lordship? Malad, is the petition custody since Malad 19/10/2024 Malad. And Malad officer under section Malad 85 and 109 of BNS Malad corresponding to Malad 498 and 307. Due to Malad matrimonial dispute, the case has been first Malad. In the meanwhile, Malad charge sheet has been filed on 14/12/2024 Malad. Charge sheet filed.
What you have done to your wife?
Malad,
Why 307 is there?
307 is there, my lord, because there is a distance between them, and my lord, he has forcibly given poison to. Yeah.
What happened to that lady?
He has already discharged from the hospital. The injury is simple in nature. I have submitted my lord charge sheet and injury report.
Or the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state. Consider the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner. Who lost the FIR?
Wife, my lord.
The petitioner is the husband of the informant.
Sorry, my lord. Wife, father. Sorry, my lord.
Yeah.
Wife, father. Among others.
The husband of the informant's daughter. The case arises out of matrimonial dispute, and that the victim has already been discharged from the hospital. She is quite ill and fatigued, and charge sheet has been submitted. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Grateful, man. Much obliged.
Item 9.
In custody since 30th July 24, more than 5 months, and it is less than commercial quality. It is only 14 kg 300 grams.
Or the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner in judicial custody since 31/7/2024. The quantity of contraband ganja stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 14 kg 300 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 10.
Well, the offense is under section 13(2) and reduced 13(1)(a) of the PCR and 49(120)(b) and 420 IPC. Well, the petitioner is the health inspector. Actually, he is a multi-purpose health worker deputed to Jharsuguda Municipality and working as health inspector. That the purchase committee purchased that mosquito oil, that is
You have
mosquito.
received the instruction, sir.
Hello, I am a health inspector. I am not in the purchasing. I am not the decision maker to purchase on what price that oil, mosquito oil shall be purchased, my lord.
You are the health inspector.
Health minister, sanitary minister.
Sanitary inspector.
Yes, my lord.
Just a minute.
The purchase, they said that the previous year,
Since when you are in government service?
I am government service, my lord. That is not there with me, my lord.
And this is a case of misappropriation.
Misappropriation. My lord, chairperson of the municipality, health officer, the executive officer, they are in the purchase committee. They are decision maker.
Which municipality?
Jharsuguda, my lord. I am a sanitary inspector.
Yes,
my
yes,
lord. I have received the oil.
Jharsuguda municipality.
My lord, allegation is that previous year 77 rupees per liter that this mosquito laryngicidal oil has been purchased. This year in 2023-24, they have
So
purchased it
your
at
past contribution is that you are not in the purchase committee.
not purchased committee.
Yes, then.
Then, my lord,
Then that was procured.
procured the purchase
How it is alleged that it is misappropriated.
Mr. They say, my lord, previous year it was purchased at the 77 rupees per liter.
Okay.
Then 3 quotations were, my lord, given for this year. that one is this
What was purchased? What was purchased?
purchased last year it was 77
Corn, mosquito oil. na?
mosquito larvish hydal oil.
Okay. It,
My lord, this year, my lord, three bidders were there. One Messrs General Variety Store purchased it, they gave the quotation 975 per liter. One Fusion Group from whom it was purchased, he has given 740 per liter. And another Mr. Growmore Enterprises Jharsuguda gave 1050 per liter. The lowest quoted by Fusion Group, they have purchased it from Fusion Group, my lord. I am just sanitary inspector, my lord. No way I am involved with
They keep on doing that.
I have received the oil from 900,
Yes.
9,000, my lord, 500 liters. They are purchased from them. They say the differential amount has been misapprehended.
But the instruction is that you are the member of the purchase
No,
committee.
my lord, I am not the high level, my lord, that it consists of health officer, medical officer, third is that executive officer.
Have you got any document to show that you are because
No, it is
there
not.
must be
I
at least who are should be the
no, that document is
the
not.
instruction has come that you are
I am not in the purchase committee. I am not the decision maker, my lord.
and what happened to the other members? Those who are in the purchase committee.
Except chairperson has not been arrested yet. Others have been arrested and put to jail.
My lord, the executive officers, the bail matter of executive officer and another has been listed by Hon'Ble coordinate bench today, right, item number 29, court number 3. And before your
My
lordship,
matter is pending before your lordship.
before your lordship, item number 31, connected matter purchased. Today's list.
Okay.
Item 30.
They stand on separate
Item
footing. I
31.
stand on separate footing, my lord.
No,
Even I am the private person, Miller.
you produce the document. Who are the members of the purchase committee?
It is there in the first,
No.
second para, my lord.
It is there, but I want the documentary. That is your instruction. So you produce the document. Who are in the purchase committee? Instruction has been received by the London Council for the Standing Council for the Vigilance document, London Standing Council for the Vigilance Department, wherein it is mentioned that the first lowest rate was quoted by Messrs Fusion Group Jharsuguda, which was approved by the committee consisting of Sri Manoj Kumar Tandi, EO, Srimati Rani Hathi, Chairperson, Sri Purnendu Sekhar Vishwas, Health Officer, Vishwa Ranjan Sahu, Sanitary Expert, Achyutananda, Flying Accountant, Vikas Bashai,
Present petition.
Sanitary Inspector, Petitioner, all of Jharsuguda Municipality, Jharsuguda. And accordingly, Messrs Fusion Group Jharsuguda was selected to supply of sanitization materials, including mosquito larvicidal oil at the rate of 740 per liter. It is further stated that the petitioner is a member of the purchase committee. However, Mr. Manoj Kumar Mahathir and counsel for the petitioner disputed the same and submitted that though the petitioner was the sanitary inspector of Jharsuguda municipality, but he was not in the purchase committee. The documentary proof regarding the members of the purchase committee of Jharsuguda municipality be produced by the London Council for the Standing Council for the Vigilance Department. Matter will be listed on 13th of January 2025 before the assignment. This written instruction is taken on record.
May I pray item 31?
Same.
Same FIR.
No, 31, I am
FIR.
the private person.
Purchase.
I am the person
Purchase.
whose tender was accepted me.
All right. This matter will be along with item number
31.
31 listed on Monday, 13th January 2020.
I will mention before my lord the coordinate bench that the executive officer and another.
Why I will mention?
I will mention. To list it before your lordship. Before your lordship.
As far as
chairperson
31 is
and the executive
concerned,
officer, they are decision makers.
can I make a submission?
Yes.
Your lordship is probably sitting on Friday single.
No, this is just because the division bench did not function. This was assigned to me. Otherwise, Friday I used to take up those tied up matters. So somehow or other I got the information that this matters have been assigned to me today. It is just for today, Mr. Panda. So see that one. Yes.
Let item 31 on the same.
This will come along with 31
31.
on 14th. All right. Yes.
Item 11.
May I please? Here, the corresponding sections of IPC is
Offense under section 30234 IPC.
It is required.
The Land Council for the state took some time to produce the case tag as well as criminal antecedent of CA and 20th of January 2025. Yes.
Item 13.
May I please, your lord? My lord, 105 PNF, that is equivalent to 304. And the allegation is that there was a quarrel in a shop, village shop, and as a consequence, victim Rakesh Pradhan, he had come drunk there along with one of his friend Bulu. So altercation was there, and he fell down and died. And
What is the other offenses? 296.
296 sir, 294. 351 टा 503. 126 टा हला wrongful restraint 339.
118.
118 टा voluntarily causing hurt 324.
Main offense is 105.
105.
What is the allegation?
Allegation is the informant's mother, the victim's mother lodges an FIR.
FIR is the copy of the FIR.
FIR is this.
You are having the
Yes.
FIR has been lodged by one eyewitness.
No, mother. He was not there in spot.
Just a minute.
ଗତ 15/7/2024 ଦିନ ସୋମବାର 1:30 ରୁ 2ଟା
What is the date of occurrence, Mr.
15/7 sir.
15/7/2024. And what is the name of the deceased?
Rakesh Pradhan.
Name of the informant?
Name of the informant is Basanti Pradhan.
She is the mother of the deceased.
My lord.
What is the connection?
ଗତ 15/7/2024 ଦିନ ସୋମବାର 1:30 ରୁ 2ଟା ସମୟରେ ମୋ ପୁଅ ରାକେଶ ପ୍ରଧାନ
ଜମା ଦାସର ଖୋଲା ଯାଇଥିବା ହାର୍ଡୱେର ଦୋକାନ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଥିବା ବେଳେ ଆମ ଗ୍ରାମର ହେମନ୍ତ ଦାସ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ପିଟିସନର୍ସ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ, ଶମ୍ଭୁନାଥ ଦାସ ଓ ବୁଲା ସାହୁ ଏମାନେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କରି ସଂଘବଦ୍ଧ ହୋଇ ହାତରେ ବାଉଁଶ ଧରି ପଡ଼ିଥିବା ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ ରାକେଶ ପ୍ରଧାନକୁ ବେକକୁ ଧରି ମାଡ଼ ଦେଇ ତାକୁ ଖାଲରେ ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ମୋ ପୁଅର ସେଠାରେ ମୁର୍ମୂଷ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା। ଏହା ଖବର ପାଇ ମୁଁ ସେଠାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଆମ ଗ୍ରାମ ଲୋକ ସହାୟତାରେ ବାବୁଲ କିଛି ପିଲାଙ୍କ ସହାୟତାରେ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲକୁ ନେଇଥିଲି। ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ରେଫର କରି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ସଚେନ ସମ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ଜୀବନ ସହ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଚିକିତ୍ସା ହେଉଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଏତଲା ଦଉଛି ଏବଂ ବିନୀତ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରେ କି ଏତଲାଟା
When this FIR was lodged?
that was on the same 19/7 proceeding.
So date of FIR is 19/7,
18/7.
18/7. And when the deceased died,
3/8.
he, while undergoing treatment, he died.
नहीं सर 26/7.
Huh?
26/7 he died. In course of treatment, septicemia, he died of septicemia.
Have you got that postmortem report?
Postmortem था sir.
What is the cause of death, sir?
Cause of death, the
Is it mentioned anywhere?
yes my lord, page 7, septicemia and shock.
Which line?
Last but third line from the bottom. The eyewitness present there, including Bulu, who was allegedly with him, he says there is an altercation. He fell down from the chautra and he died there.
Who
But
is
his
that eyewitness?
eyewitness is the shopkeeper, Pramod Das, my lord. It was his shop in which he had gone. Should I place
Prema Das.
Pramod Kumar Das, alias Pama? Pema ja sir होंगे. Should I place it, my lord?
हाँ, ସେଟା ତାରି hardware shop front ରେ ଘଟଣା ଥିଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେ
ମୁଁ ଦୋକାନ 15/7 ଦିନ ସୋମବାର ଦିନ ମୁଁ ଦୋକାନରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ରାକେଶ ପ୍ରଧାନ ବୁଲୁ ସାହୁର ବି ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ସାର୍। ମୋ ଦୋକାନକୁ ମଦ ପିଇକି ଆସିଥିଲେ ଓ ଉଭୟ ଜୋର କଥା ହଉଥିଲେ। ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ସେଠାରେ ଶମ୍ଭୁ ଦାସ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ପିଟିସନର୍ସ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ଆମ ଦୋକାନକୁ ଆସିଲେ। ଶମ୍ଭୁ ରାକେଶ ଓ ବୁଲା ମିଶିକି କଥା ହେବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ। ହଉ ଶମ୍ଭୁ ଓ ରାକେଶଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବହୁତ ଗାଳିଗୁଲଜ ହେବା ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା। ରାକେଶ ଶମ୍ଭୁକୁ ବହୁତ ଅସଭ୍ୟ ଭାଷାରେ ଗାଳି କରିବାରୁ ଶମ୍ଭୁ ରାକେଶକୁ ବାଡେଇଲା। ଏହା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ରାକେଶ ରୋଡ ଉପରେ ପଡିଲା ଓ ଶମ୍ଭୁ ତାକୁ ବାଡେଇଲା। ଆମେ ମନା କଲୁ କାହିଁକି ଆମ ଦୋକାନ ପାଖରେ ଝଗଡା ହଉଛ ଏଠୁ କହିବାରୁ ସେ ଉଭୟ ଧକ୍କା ମରାମରି ହୋଇ ଶମ୍ଭୁର ପଇତା ଛିଡିଗଲା।
Has he stated about the use of any stick like the other witness stated? ଯୋଉ ବାଡି ଫାଡିରେ ବାଡେଇବା କଥା ସେଇ witness
ମା କହିଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ ସାର୍। ତେଣୁ ଶମ୍ଭୁ ଆସି ଆଉ ରାଗି ରାକେଶକୁ ବାଡେଇଲା, ଘରକୁ ପଳେଇଲା। ଆମେ ମନା କରିବାରୁ ରାକେଶ ଓ ବୁଲା ରୋଡରେ ସେପଟେ ପିଣ୍ଡିରେ ବସିଥିଲେ। ଏତିକି ବେଳେ
ପାସନ କଲେ ସେ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ
ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ଲାଗ କରିଛି, ସେଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ ବୁଲା ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଥିଲେ।
You are in custody since when?
3/8 my lord.
Charge sheet submitted.
Yeah.
What do you say, Mr.?
Body is there, Vibhuti has stated. Vibhuti sir stated ହାତରେ ବାଡି ଧରି ବାପା ସୁଦର୍ଶନ ଭାଇ ହେମନ୍ତ ଆସିଲା। ମତେ ପୁଣି ଝଗଡା ହେଲା। ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଡ ହାତ ଧରି କହୁଥିଲେ ରାକେଶକୁ ଛାଡିଦିଅ, ମଦ ପିଇକି କଣ କହିଦେଇଛି ହେଲେ ମାଫ କରିଦିଅ ତାକୁ କହି ଶମ୍ଭୁ ତାର ପରିବାର ଲୋକ ଶୁଣିଲେନି। The use of frequency is there.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Hon'Ble senior advocate, learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 8/8/2024 and they have been charge sheeted under section 118 bracket 1 comma 3 bracket 5 comma 296 bracket small a comma 351 bracket 2 comma 105 and 126 of BNS. And the eyewitness account of Pramod Kumar Das alias Pama indicate that the occurrence in question took place on 15/7/2024, and the deceased Rakesh Pradhan and petitioner number 3, Bulu came to
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍
Bulu Sahu କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
ସେଟା ସାର୍ flag mark ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା ସେ ତାର ସେଟା
Guru Sahu was present there in
Acha,
that shop.
Bulu Sahu is not an petitioner.
accused ନାଇଁ ସାର୍
Present in that shop.
Acha, the deceased and one Bulu Sahu came to his shop, hardware shop for them, taking liquor, and while they were talking amongst them in a loud voice at that time, the petitioner number 2 came there, and during course of talk between the three, altercation took place between the petitioner number 2 and the deceased Rakesh Pradhan. And petitioner number 2 also assaulted the deceased, for which he fell down and the road. Subsequently, the other petitioners came there, and they also participated in the push and pull with the deceased. And council submits that the first information report was lodged by Basanti Pradhan, the mother of the deceased, on 18/7/2024. And the case was registered under section 127/1, 118/1, and 3/5 of BNS. While the deceased was under treatment, and the deceased died on 26/7/2024. And the postmortem report indicates that the cause of death was due to septicemia and shock. It is argued that the taking into account the surrounding circumstances under which the offense is alleged to have taken place, and since investigation has already been concluded, and further taking into account the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the bail application may be favorably considered. Then counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. There is the statement of Vibhuti Bhushan Sahu alias Bulla, Pramod Kumar Das alias Pama, as well as the postmortem report. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, the nature of accusation against the petitioner, the surrounding circumstances under which the occurrence took place, the postmortem finding, the time gap between the date of occurrence and date of death, I am inclined to release the petitioners on bail subject to condition that they shall appear before the land trial court on each date and the case is posted and shall not try to tamper with the evidence, shall not indulge in any criminal activity, violation of any terms and conditions, shall entail cancellation of them. You file these documents. Yeah.
Entire not enough.
Yes, yes, entire. ଆଉ କିଏ ରହିଗଲେ କି? ଆଉ ତ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ଆଉ କିଏ ଆସିବାର ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ହଁ ତେଣୁ ଆଉ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ବି କିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅସୁବିଧା
ସେମିତି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଜେରକ୍ସ କରିଦେବି।
Next.
Item 14.
The petitioner is in custody since 31/10/2024 for the offense punishable under section 419, 420, 66C, 66D of ITA. Your lordship, in this case, the charge sheet has already been submitted since 20. May I please, your lordship?
This
Yes. West Bengal.
No, your lordship, the petitioner belongs to Patkura.
no, what is the allegation against
The
him?
allegation is that he has misappropriated a amount of 20,000 by impersonating himself as a video.
Amount is 20,000.
Only 20,000 dollars.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
31/10/2024.
Criminal antecedents are there.
31/10/2024.
Yes, Your Lordship. And the charge sheet has been submitted on 27/12/2020.
Charge sheet submit ହେଇଗଲା?
Yes, Your Lordship.
କଣ criminal antecedent ଅଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ये criminal antecedent ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ rejection ରେ
Rejection order has been
rejection ଯୋଉ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
by criminal antecedents. Page 16.
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇ type ର case ପୁରା।
ହଁ including this case
Similar offenses.
all around known and
ये ଲୋକଟା ପୁରା address ଦିଆହେଇଛି ତାର କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡା
କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡାର ତାର ହେଲା permanent resident
ଆଉ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ କୋଉଠି ପାଇଲେ?
now West Bengal
Says case that is that is rejecting West Bengal. Some of the offenses also.
at
belongs to
present
the
he has been
purpose of-
arrested for Amgaon football market house Bena
ସେଇ
City
ଯୋଉ
Durgapur
case ଗୁଡାକରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ 4-5ଟା case ଅଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଧରେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେରେ ତ ରିମାଣ୍ଡ ରେ ନେଲେ ଯୋଉ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ସାଇବର
Let them to
କ୍ରାଇମ
file their comprehensive
କେସ୍
affidavit to
40 of
verify.
2024 ରେ
The
subsequent
amount is 20,000
Amount 20,000, but person involved in 5 similar nature of cases. Other
or
things has
the
to
learned
trace out his
counsel for the
conduct and
petitioner
character.
and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 31/10/2024 and amount involved in this case is ₹20,000. And the charge sheet has already been submitted. Offences are travelled by magistrates. And after hearing the land counsel for the state who submitted that the petitioner has got 5 criminal antecedents of similar in nature, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Next.
The condition may be imposed so that involved in other
Judges shall not try to tamper with the evidence and appear before the learned trial. Yes, next.
Item
May I please
15.
your lordship? May I please your lordship? The petitioner happens to be the father of one of the assailant who committed murder of the deceased, your lord.
is the requirement. 302.
30.
And in the meanwhile, the charge sheet also submitted under same section since 28/11.
The case diary is not there. Today is the first date, so I am giving state an adjournment to produce the case diary and criminal antecedent. All right, it will come on
As your lordship. As your
20th of
lordship.
January 2025.
Grateful, your lordship.
Yes, next.
Item 16.
16 million, I mean VC million. Alleged offense under section 302. Allegation is that the
Case diary nahi.
Aye.
आज 20 तारीख दिन
Aye.
case diary and criminal antecedent.
Item 17.
May I please, your lord? Petition is custody since 25/11/2024. Offense charge sheeted against the petitioner.
76 D.
The
Extra copy to be served on the land.
charge sheet submitted only against 17 of the books, your lordship.
Whatever it may be,
My
serve
lord.
this here the extra copy by tomorrow.
My lord.
Copies to be issued. Matter be placed on 20th of January 2025 and CD to 164 year देखिए जो PNS है ऐसे जो are the point लगे then medical examination be obtained, no? Yes.
Item 18.
Matter be listed on 48. Huh? Yes,
May I please? 137 to 87, 64 2M of the BNS, Schedule 6 of the
they'll produce the CDs, EM, and all the things, the medical examination report, 164 CRPC of the field. Yes,
Item 19.
May I please? The petition constitution 17/11/24 alleged 64 to M of ENS corresponding to 376 of IPC.
अच्छी कैसे? Hmm?
And the 35 years old of lady, and the occurrence took place in 7/11/24 and the FIR was,
Charge sheet है ना?
no ma'am, that's it.
So give an extra copy. Let the informant is the victim. Extra copy to be served and notice to be issued. Courier कर दे.
Item 20.
Item 20, I may be permitted, my lords, from BC. My lords, the corresponding IPC offence, my lords, 364A, 323, 387, 506, 34 IPC, my lords. And the victim himself is the informant, my lords. And on the very day of the incident, he has been recovered. Allegation is that some unknown persons assaulted the informant and demanded 7 lakhs rupees from him. And the police came and recovered.
Lady.
No, male person, my lords. It is male person. Sheikh, my lord.
ଘରକୁ ନେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ ସେଠାରେ ଆସାମୀ ମାନେ ମୋତେ ମାଡ଼ ମାରିବା ସହିତ ଟଙ୍କା ଦାବି କଲେ।
Same day recover ହେଇଛି FIR ଦେଇଛି sir. Regarding there are 3 petitioners. Only petitioner 2 has one antecedent. My lord, petitioner 2 has one antecedent regarding section 11 of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. 1 and 3, my lord.
Mohammad Sahaji ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
Yes, my lords.
Is the petition number 2?
Petition number 2. Rejection order କହୁଛି ଯେ petition number 2 ନାଁରେ ଗୋଟେ antecedent ଅଛି, ସେଟା ହଉଛି section 11 1A 11 1D of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Rejection order
The petition land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner that the petitioners are in judicial custody since Quebec.
my lords, date of custody, my lords, that is 19/12/2024.
19/12/2020. And the informant.
I may submit my lord. The allegation that is transportation of cows, the regular, the habitual of
Condition. The informant is the victim, and he presented the first information report on the next day of the occurrence, and the allegations are omnibus in nature, and investigation has made substantial progress, and the petitioners are permanent residents of their village, and there is no chance of their absconding and of hearing the land council for the state. I am inclined to release the petitioners on bail subject to condition that they shall appear before Swansea Police Station, Dasratpur Police Station, once in a week on every Sunday in between 10 to 4, shall not indulge in any criminal activities, appear before the London trial court on each day, with the case will be posted at time. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of allowed.
Deeply obliged.
Item 21.
Commercial quantity.
51.
Is very achieved. CD of criminal antecedent on 20 तारीख से.
Item 22.
Please, your lords.
mother-in-law and elder brother's wife having a small child of 2 years in custody since 5/12. The deceased committed suicide inside the bedroom, and the petitioner number 2, when she called her for midday meals and she did not respond, saw through the window and the door was open.
Any papers available with you?
Your Lordship may see this. Lords, the informant has written to the Halifaxna PS Millers on the 4th when after the postmortem, last lines your Lordship may see, ଆପୋଷ ସମାଧାନ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି, because that it was not settled, the FIR on the 5th.
But get the case diary to come on Monday. The land council for the state seeks for an adjournment in the case diary, put up this matter on 13th of
Yes, of 306.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ କାଗଜପତ୍ର କିଛି ନାହିଁ କେମିତି କଣ କରିବ?
ଆମ ପାଖରେ
13/1/2025. Yes, next.
Item 23.
23 may be lordship from DCLC. Allegation lordship 64/2N corresponding to 376/2N and 6 POCSO. Notice will
Petition widow may lord, contraband articles 1 kg 35 gram lord. Petition is custody since 23/12.
23/12/2024 ହଉଛି ତାର କଷ୍ଟଡି ଲେଖିଗଲି। ବାକି ହଉଛି କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ହଉଛି
1 kg 35 gram.
କୋଉ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
Reject note my lord. Page my lord.
1 kg 35 grams है ना? बाकी की जो lesser than commercial quantity आगू जो जिनकी रखी allow करेंगे। Yes, next.
Okay.
Item 26.
Very vigorous. Case of 376 one. Yes, sir. But here, alleged incident as per the statement of the victim, as per the FIR, she is the informant, madam, on 6/11/2024. But the
That
FIR was
decision, Mr. Hall, he says that in all such bail application, notice is to be issued to the informant.
it's a major guy. Major guy 25 years.
No, they say that in a rape case or POCSO Act case, notice is to be given to
POCSO Act penal notice is to be given, but in rape case of rape,
I do not know that exactly. Perhaps they have used POCSO Act case को से deal करूँଥିଲେ, but there is some observation that in such type of cases also notice is to be issued.
in all cases of rape.
Yes, that decision. I just read it in with live law and detailed.
I have not gone through.
POCSO Act it is there, but I do not know where perhaps stated that
Here the guy is 25
because
years.
the certain specified offenses were there for which notice was required. But now they have stated that.
But it's a case of 417, 376.
376 is there. We are not.
Madam.
What is 376? So let it give an extra copy. Let it.
I am giving it.
But just go through that decision.
Madam, the reference, madam.
No, I was going through this live law. You can notice, you can also click it on the, I think it would be there in the Google also, you can find it.
Yes, sir. Today.
That notice to the informant in rape case. You can click it and you can get it.
On 15th minute, it is case of Orissa.
You saw it during course of the day and
Yes, sir.
you sent it and let it be next week. Next confirmation letter. Case diary is already available. You know? Extra copy to be sought in course of the day. Notice to issue. You know? And matter to be listed next week. Yeah, next.
Item 27.
May I please notes? Consent under section 419 420 of IPC, relative section 66D of ITAC manner. The petition is in custody since 21st November 2024. Allegation is that
21st November 2024.
the allegation is that the informant received a phone call from a mobile number and stated that he is an investigating officer of
You have got the case diary.
Case diary is that person is from Gujarat, and so far as the criminal antecedent is concerned, madam, this is under verification. And my lord,
What is the amount involved?
34 lakhs and 14 lakhs was returned to the same account of the complainant. So cumulatively it is 20 lakhs. So the persons
For what purpose you are seeking for an adjournment?
The criminal antecedent.
You want to receive instruction on criminal antecedent.
And the person is from Gujarat, so, and the present petitioner.
Whether the address is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
All right. The Land Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary, but he may be given some time to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. So also to make the address verification, as the petitioner is a man from state of Gujarat, as per the post title address, foot of this matter. Item Superintendent of Police Jharsuguda shall make necessary correspondence with Superintendent of Police Surat for such purpose. Yes.
Item 57 also another provided my lord.
number?
Item 57.
67.
57.
ये भी गुजरात रो.
हाँ.
Okay.
So कितने लगा वो तो competition का
57 ने मतलब same address, same order कर दे.
Item 28.
Item 57.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Item 28 में है कि जल्द. So allegation against the petitioner is 32B and 64-2M.
76.
376.
376. Yes. Give a copy. You have got the case diary? No. Sure. So, serve an extra copy, and you have to obtain the CD and all these things. 376 is जुड़ा doctor. Yes, next.
Item 29.
On behalf of S.K.Sahoo, for Arjun.
Commercial quantity. You have got the case diary?
No, case diary.
CD, criminal antecedent, and Land Council for the petitioner or fix for the adjournment. Yes.
Item 30.
In this case, madam, the petitioner is a poor man coming through legal aid. My lord, no documents with me, but he is in custody since 2021.
Are you having the case diary?
3023.
302, 27 Arms Act. And in the rejection order, my lord, it is stated that due to the surgery of the brain tumor of the accused, his vision has been deteriorated, for which he needs treatment.
The Land Council for the state some time to produce the case diary, criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Stop. Land Council for the petitioner tracing the rejection order submitted that the health condition report of the petitioner may be obtained as it appears that the petitioner had undergone surgery for the brain tumor and his vision has been deteriorated, and he requests treatment in a better equipped hospital. Put up this matter on 20th of January 2025.
My lord, the present status may be called for matter.
Acha. Charge sheet submitted or?
Again, 21 मसीहाରୁ ଅଛି ସେ.
Acha. Since it is stated that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 2021, let a status report be called for from the London Trial Court, that is additional session judge from Special Judge Vigilance Bhavani Patna in city case number 54 of 54/10 of 2021/2022. Yes. And for such purpose, by file be placed with registered judicial, we will send email to the concerned court. Yes.
Item 32.
May I please, Lord, the petitioner is in custody since 12/12/24 minutes. Allegation under section 109 minutes, the father of the petitioner has assaulted me. And the
What are these offenses? P31.
P31, 296, 1.
IPC offense would have five.
I think so. 458,
Huh?
458, 294, 323, 324, 307, 506.
So 307 is the main offense. With injured.
Husband of the petitioner.
Huh?
Husband of the petitioner.
Husband of the petitioner.
The husband of the petitioner.
Petitioner a male person and तार husband could ଆସିବ?
Srimati S.K.Sahoo minutes.
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରୁଛି injured ର ନାଁ କଣ?
The informant is the wife, and the injured is her husband minutes.
Just a minute. Injured is the husband of the informant.
Minutes.
Oh, that you say. So
the present petition, the prime accused minute is Sudhir Jena, who had assaulted with a sword minutes. The present petitioner is the
you have got the case diary?
No, madam.
Have you got anything
No.
documented? Nothing. Case diary, criminal antecedent, health condition report, injury report, सब मौजूद है ना? DCA, injury report, of health condition report of the injured. Rasi of 40 तारीख ना? 2025. Yes.
Item 33.
May I please, my lord, item number 33, my lord. My lord, in this case, there are in total 2 number of petitioners, and allegation against them is that they are transporting 22 kg 500 grams of ganja, my lord.
It's a commercial quantity. Have you received the case diary?
No, madam. 22 kg 500 grams.
Get the case diary. Land Council case diary is not there, so it is the first date. Let the State Council obtain the case diary, criminal antecedent, and matter will be listed on 20th of January 2025.
Obliged, ma'am.
All right.
Item 34.
May I please, ma'am? States the alleged offense 3102 and 3172 DNS Act 2527 of Arms Act. Charge sheet submitted. Petition is the custody, my lord.
Criminal cases in different cases.
All the accused persons. All the accused persons released on bail by the session judge. Petitioner is only 19 years boy man. Our criminal accident before ye. ताऊ डाकी नियंती लोकटा our father expired by the lunch.
3102.
My lord.
3102 that डकाई दी. 3102 that was 317. 3173 is a stolen property, receiver of stolen property. Apart from that, so My lord, 10/8/2024. So these are the cases which were instituted against you.
My lord, I have criminal antecedent due to
Have filed a comprehensive affidavit. You have got the case diary with you?
No, ma'am.
Land and Council for the state took some time to produce the case diary. And FIR is against unknown person.
FIR is unknown person.
And also obtain instruction regarding holding of TI para defense. So far as the petitioner is concerned, the Land and Council for the state placed the rejection order, from which it appears that there are number of criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Let the Land Council for the petitioner obtain instruction regarding the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit in that respect. Matter be listed on 40A, AK, 2025. CD और बाकी नहीं है CD वाला comprehensive CD के CD अच्छी
No, ma'am.
हम case diary anyway से comprehensive affidavit file करियो. Next.
Monday 28 January.
Oh, you are not there. All right. We commencing from 27th January 2020. All right. Yes, next.
Item 35.
My lord, I am busy. So this is the new section 69 of BNS Act that is promising to marry the woman has kept physical relationship without any intention. So in this case, the victim is 23 years, whereas petitioner is 20 years old. 69 of new BNS.
Informant is the victim.
My lord. Her statement is also
123 years.
My lord. As running page 12, her 161 statement is also there.
Kept royal any?
Sir, 7/12 दिया. 7/12 मासे.
Are the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 7/12/2020, and investigation has made substantial progress, and for the submission that the victim was major and there was love affair between the victim and the petitioner, and they are keeping physical relationship. And after going through the statement of the victim and hearing the Land Council for the state place the medical examination report of the victim, which has been annexed to the bail application as annexed file. Proves that there is no mark of violence present on her body. There are no signs and symptoms of recent sexual abuse. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not try to come in contact with the victim and not tampering the evidence. Appear before the Land and Trial Court on each date and request for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions are until cancellation allowed.
Item 36.
All are bail. Here, the people all are on bail. On bail to the warrant of receipt. You are not present, not taking any steps on that day. Belgium matter. Belgium matter.
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଅପସନ୍
I'm on bail, my lord. They have 100 good. On bail there. या ना कौन की प्रशांत कुमार विषय accused person voluntarily surrender on bail. Advocates wants to fight power. Charge sheet has been shown as and the petition is found as second. Taken into Yes, he was directed to be released on bail. Come to the page number 2. Page number 2 को आसिले जोड़ा letter लिखा है देखो. Receive the पढ़ो.
Recording received from the Court of Sessions with the extent of order dated 24 they will act in BA number 1267 by 2008. It is ordered that the accused petitioner Prashant Kumar Behera and Ms. Akura be released on bail 15,000 with counsel like amount.
So he was on bail. Then from 10 to 23. Now you are taken into custody when 11-12. At the Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner. So the petitioner was on bail during investigation of the case, and due to non-taking of steps, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against the petitioner, by virtue of which he was taken into judicial custody on 11-12-2024. And after going through the copy of the certified copy of the bail order, which is produced by the Land Council for the petitioner, and hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. For my suffering of heart stroke. Yes.
Item 37.
37 my lord, under section 8085. Now just let them this in the CD and the
On at IPC.
304P.
Bank is ready.
No man.
It's ready. 40
PM reported.
21, 25. Yes.
Item 38.
Yes, item 38.
38, your lordship. May please your lordship, offense under section 20B 2B NDPS Act, quantity millard 5 kg, petition is in custody millard 10/12/2024.
10/12/2024, 5 kg, 37B not applicable, allowed. Next.
Item 39.
and 48 2025 CD criminal antecedent medical exemption with 164 Becky Beckley. Here this statement of yes, next.
Item 42.
May I please your lordship? Your lordship, the allegation under section 21B of the NDPS Act, 29 grams of brown sugar has been seized from the petitioner as per the allegation. He is in custody since 31/8/2024, your lordship. And in the meanwhile, final PR has already been submitted.
31/8 you are in custody.
Yes, your lordship.
Or the Land and Council for the petitioner Land Council state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 31/8/2024. The quantity of brown sugar seized stated to have been seized from the possession of the person is 29 grams, lesser than a commissary quantity. Therefore, bar of and final judgment has already been submitted. And after hearing the Land and Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner bail allowed.
Grateful.
Item 43.
Yes,
Hospital my lord, 302 10
302
201 34 first day.
Get the case diary and criminal antecedent 20 तारीख ଆସିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା
My lord, 54 also out of same.
Same.
My lord.
ସେଇ କେସ୍ ର କୋ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ତ
My lord, co-accused.
54 ବି ସେମ୍ ଲାଇନ୍ ଚାଲିବ
Item 44.
No. The custody on 18/11/2024. Attention of section 20B. 30 kg or 100 gram.
commercial quantity
30 kg 100.
तो आनंद case diary criminal antecedent (44) criminal and case diary or criminal antecedent 20 तारीख ଆସିବ
Both are from West Bengal.
अच्छा ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ then you make it 27 for the Land Council for the state submits that since both the petitioners are from West Bengal, some time is also required for instruction about the address verification. So please, the superintendent of police wants to shall make necessary communication with this. So please, at the yes.
Item 45.
May I please, my lord? 20B 2C of NDPS Act, 28 kg of ganja recovered from the.
First statement. I'll get
9 CD local
again.
Again.
CD criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 46.
Item 46, my lord, may I please, your lordship? The petition is in custody since 5/12/2024, offense under section 331(4), that is corresponding section, my lord, 443 of IPC, that is locking house trespass. 443, my lord, locking house
457, my lord, and 380.
380. 30 is corresponding 380, my lord, in IPC.
कौन चोरी कला
रूपा बड़ा सुना बड़ा
One and a half lakhs worth of jewelry and 25,000 rupees.
Voodoo.
From the
Whole
house.
residential house.
Residential house. FKR lodged in against the unknown person, your lordship. Petitioner is a young.
ମିଳିଲା ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଏରୁ
ନାଇଁ କିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସିଜ୍ ହେଇଛି, but that is not been identified. I may read the relevant person. The IO raided the house of the petitioner and seized 10 numbers of silver bola, 2 numbers of silver ring, cash of rupees 16,900, and one iPhone. The other stolen articles are not yet be recovered. That has been
କେବେ ରହିଲେଣି
5/12
of the Common Council for the petition Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner of the petition is 5/12/2024. Offences are triable by magistrate. Some articles have been seized from the possession of the petitioner, but those have not yet been placed in the test identification parade to establish that those are the stolen property. And after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition. He shall appear before the inspector in charge of Sundargarh Sadar Police Station once in a week on every Sunday in between 10 to 4 till submission of charge sheet and shall not indulge in any criminal activity. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
65 is the same.
Huh?
65 is same for another
65?
another question.
Just a minute. 65 টা সেম কি? কোন কোড রয়েছে? নম্বর দেখবেন পিএস কেস না?
Same.
এটা হচ্ছে 316 2024
Pardon.
টা বার করো।
Same.
64 is also allowed, huh? Same.
65 my lord.
65.
64 na 5?
5.
Wait.
65.
Not 64, huh? 65. 65 হচ্ছে কানহু চরণ সেটা তো?
Tajon আজ্ঞা।
আচ্ছা, এটা
কানু চরণ তাজন।
আর ডেট অফ কাস্টডি সেম?
Same my lord.
Alright, so this is connected to item number 46. No, 65 and 46 same, huh?
Item 47.
394 of the old act. And
कौन कर
40,000 टका ଗୋଟେ mobile phone ନେଇଗଲେ informers basing upon the co-accused statement the petitioner was arrested but the co-accused person who was confessed Santosh Rai was released on bail but due to two criminal antecedents this present petitioner's bail application was rejected.
আপনার ଗୋଟେ commercial quantity
20 সেটা bail নে ଅଛି সেটা co-accused statement.
Or the learned counsel for the petition, learned counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4/12/2024, and implication of the petitioner is based on confessional statement of co-accused, so before the police, and what was seized from your position?
Nothing is
and no incriminating article has been seized from the position of the petitioner. And after hearing the land counsel for the state to oppose the prayer for bail on the ground that the petitioner has got two criminal antecedents, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail to the station for a period of 3 months. Allowed.
Item 48.
20A1 of NDPS Act and 6212 of BNS, this is corresponding to 120B, and 27(1)A of Odisha Forest Act. There will be allegation about cultivation of ganja millet by 5 persons, and the present petitioner is implicated on the basis of
you were arrested at the spot.
Not spot millet.
Oh.
Your lordship may kindly turn to page 12. Page 12. Third line, your lordship. In your laptop packing third line, without page 12 top.
Investigation kit laptop.
Yes, starting from at 10:25 AM.
No, in fact, my lord, the involvement of the petitioner is in the last line of that paragraph. On further examination, they admitted that.
On further examination, they admitted that last 3 lines.
Once
Homeguard at Daringbadi place to keep their cultivators safe from encroachment till its harvesting. 4 persons.
Confessional statement of co-accused.
My lord.
Heard the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 12/12/2024, and the implication of the petitioner is based on confessional statement of who accused before police, and no informative article has been seized from the position of the petitioner. And after hearing the land counsel for the state who placed the first information report, where also the implication of the petitioner stated to have been based on the confessional statement of who accused before police, I am inclined to release the petitioner on the and in absence of any bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act for such offense. है ना? I am inclined to either cultivation to
Cultivation.
allow next.
Item number 49.
May I please, my lord, allegation is under section 20B2B of NDPS Act, 3.5 kg of 500 gram of contraband article has been seized.
Custody के बेटू
18/12/2024.
18/12/2024 3 kg 500 lesser than commercial quantity, bar not applicable, allowed. Next.
Obliged.
Item number 50.
376 to
Co-accused person's bail application was posted to 24.
In this case,
One-
petitioner
one
already
three-
under section 116.
ଆରେ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କହୁଛି ଯେ
Right
ତାର ଆସିବ
imprisonment is-
The number
13006
just a minute. PL
13006
13006
of 2024
केबे posting अछि
24 तारीख
24 1 2025 है ना. Land counsel for the petitioner submitted that co-accused bail application in PL number 13006 of 2024 is posted 24/1/2025. Stop. In view of such submission, list this matter along with PL number 13006 of 2024 on 24/1/2025. Before the assignment. Here.
Item number 52.
Passover man.
52 ର ମୋର
On behalf of Ms. Sudhasree Pasai.
no wrong. This is mine.
No. Sudhasree Prasad. So the 376 DA achi notice.
Passover man.
CD is also not there.
You saw
Item number 53.
53 for
yes 53 Mr. Dwivedi.
May plus. Petitioner is a lady and charge sheet as well as the FIR submitted under section 108 of the BNS corresponding to section 306.
306, but the present petitioner
Okay, please call this.
assaulted the deceased by means of shuffle.
Yeah, just a minute. What is your custody date?
28/10/2024, my lord.
28/10/2024.
Yes, my lord. The
Charge sheet submitted
yes, my lord.
under section
So 108 of the BNS.
100 is BNS. So what is the name of the deceased?
Gurubari Gouda.
Gurubari
Gouda.
Gouda.
Yes, GOU.
How you are related to that?
No, in fact, the deceased was regularly coming to near to my husband and taking some medicine. The present petitioner was suspecting that they are in illicit relationship.
Petitioner is a lady.
Yes, madam. On 17/9/2024, on 16/9/2024, she went to the house of the present petitioner. The present petitioner abused her, and as per the allegation in the FIR lodged by the inspector of the police. While he was conducting the investigation in a UD case, it came to light that on the date of occurrence on 16/9/2024, the deceased went to the house of the petitioner, and where the present petitioner assaulted, and thereafter on the next day she committed suicide. This is the case.
So suicide in which way?
By hanging.
By hanging.
Yes, ma'am.
Suicide by hanging. And
FIR, my lord, kind of glance.
Yes, my lord.
he was taking medicine from the husband of the present petitioner regularly.
कौन की medicine?
कौन अच्छे आयुर्वेदिक medicine.
अच्छा, हाँ.
Okay. Therefore, he was regularly visiting to the husband of the present petitioner to take medicine. And the present petitioner suspected that illicit relation. On the alleged date, that is on 16th 2024, it is the eyewitness statement by Lord Rangadhara Gowda.
Period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody and the proviso for section 437 of corresponding decree. The bail application may be favorably considered. Land counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail and praised the statement of Bansidhar Gowda.
Raidhar Gowda.
Raidhar.
Rai, R-A-I.
Raidhar Gowda.
Two Gowda.
Other witnesses who are the eyewitnesses to the assault made by the petitioner to the deceased Guruvari Gowda in the public street. And also the post-mortem report, which indicates that the cause of death was due to
nature of death is suicidal hanging.
No, cause of death.
Mode of death is asphyxia.
Cause of death is due to asphyxia and suicidal hanging, on account of suicidal hanging. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, nature of accusation, surrounding circumstances under which the offense alleged to have taken place, period of detention in judicial custody, and further keeping in view the proviso to section so and so. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on the ground.
Okay.
Item 55.
I'm just coming within 2 minutes.
Item 55.
Please, your lordship. 302, 54.
केस डायरी क्रिमिनल एंटीसिडेंट 21/1/2025 yes
Item 56.
May I please? FR allegation is 109, 197, 198, 34, 428, 468, 472, and 501 IPC matter. In the FR, the petitioner is custody since 12/12 matter. I may be permitted, I have made it. It has been stated at 23/12, but it is in custody since 12/12 matter.
What is the allegation against you?
Allegation, there is no FR, the petitioner name is not there. There is an allegation against one Pratima Sahu and Sambari Singh that a order of the court and a certificate has been forged and they have taken the benefit of a retired person by showing them
Bad person. They have for the court order, my lord.
They have
Case diary is not
for
there.
the court.
Okay,
Case diary is not there.
My lord, I may pardon me. I am entering appearance for informant in this case. My lord. Here they have manipulated the entire documents.
केस डायरी नहीं
Yes,
बेल
ma'am.
बेल दे दी गई है
Yes, sir.
बेल दबाव पूछेंगे yes
I'm sorry.
CD criminal antecedent 21/1/2025 yes next
Item 58.
58 case diary is not there. Cyber crime. Police arrest kari
cultivation of ganja miller, and here 4 persons were arrested miller.
Similar to माने सी तारीख हुआ क्यों
No, no.
चारि co-accused. 48 रो co-accused जे से co-accused statement रे implicate ହେଇଥିଲା, but these 4 petitioners were found watering
here you are found at that place
watering at the
cannabis plant.
and here allegation miller and with 61(2) BNS and Odisha Forest 27.
So, criminal accident verify है ही नहीं.
अच्छा
Case diary is not there.
तो CD ଟା ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ criminal antecedent 20 ତାରିଖ ଆସିବ yes next
Item 60.
Your lordship, offence under section 302 BNS Act, your lordship. The petitioner is a student, your lordship, is custodian 13/10/2024, your lordship. Already stolen property also recovered, but not recovered in the petition. And another co-accused persons is the property is recovered, your lordship.
theft of a
Motorcycle.
Yeah,
Motorcycle.
TPS Excel moped
Yeah.
And a rejection order shows that the petitioner and his co-accused have got a similar criminal accident.
or the Land and Council for the petitioner Land Council for the state considering the submission made by the Land and Council for the petitioner that the petitioner the young boy and he is in judicial custody since केबेट लेनी
30/10/2024, your lordship.
केबे
30 October 2024.
30/10/2024 offense is triable by magistrate and after hearing the Land Council for the state submitted that the rejection order indicates that the petitioner has got criminal antecedent. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 61.
126(2), 296, 118, 115, 351, 109, 35 BNS matter. Corresponding 341, 294, 324, 323, 506, 307, 34 IPC.
307 achi.
Yes, 307 achi. petitioner na ଦି ଜଣ accused, petitioner ନାଁରେ କିଛି there is no antecedent by law. Antecedent
Since when you are in custody?
24/11/2024.
24/11/2024. What is the name of the injured?
Injured name is Santoshi Kumar. Santoshi Kumar. ये ଭଲ ହେଇକି ବାରେ fully cured and the sister in law.
ଭାଉଜ?
ନାଇଁ elder brother of wife.
Elder brother.
That's us.
Elder brother's wife.
Who accused is the he Sadhu.
Elder brother's wife ତ ଯା ହବ ନା, ବଡ ଯା।
Elder sister. Wife ର sister, elder sister.
Wife ର
elder sister.
That's us. Okay. କୋଉଥିରେ ମାରିଲେ ତାକୁ?
ଛୁରୀରେ
ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ରେ କଣ ହେଲା? ଖଣ୍ଡିଆ ଖବର କଣ ହେଲା?
ଖଣ୍ଡିଆ ଥିଲା ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଘରେ।
He has received one injury. 6 cm, 2 cm, 4 cm.
6 cm, 2 cm.
On the back of the shoulder.
Left side back.
Or the learned counsel for the petition, learned counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/11/2024. And the injured Santoshi Kumar, the elder sister of the wife of the petitioner, and she has sustained an injury on her back shoulder, and she has been fully cured in the meantime. And after hearing the land counsel for the state to oppose the prayer for bail, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 62.
May I please your lordship? Offense under section 498 302.
अच्छी केस डायरी तो केस डायरी का नाम तो 20 तारीख से आसियो 21/20/25. Yes.
Item 63.
Mr. Jena.
26 ganja.
26
kg ganja.
63.
26.
No. Please come to item number 63. 63 is BLFL.
302.
302. Case diary achi?
No.
Acha, non-appears for the petitioner for example, learned counsel for the state submit, he is not having the case diary. So CD, criminal antecedent, 48/2025. Yes.
Item 64.
May I please? 20B2C NDPS Act received, petitioners has seized about 18 kg ganja from the possession of the petitioners received.
For the rejection order showing the 26 kg.
Page 12 received.
26 किलो तो commercial quantity.
नहीं, page 12 received. 18 kg हमने seized. Page 12.
Page 12.
Yes, received. Top received.
Page 12 तो लिखा है कि from so and so.
अन्य एक धला रंगर जरी बस्ता मध्य पेज 12 annexure 1 page 12 रसिक
हाँ एटा सीजर लिस्ट है ना
form C सीजर लिस्ट
that is the सीजर लिस्ट
yes रसिक अन्य first page 10 ने पहला शरत जात अन्य एक धला रंग जरी बस्ता मध्य बस्ता सहित बस्तार ओजन मिसी 18 केजी 100 ग्राम हैला मंजई
wait तलाशी न पर मु पुलिस अधिकारी मानको मोर मोबाइल नंबर स्वांचो अवगत कराइली एक धला रंगर जरी बस्ता मध्य रे बस्ता सहित ओजन मिसी 8.100 ग्राम हैला
100 दिया जाता
हाँ तो 8 केजी हैला ये सहित तापरे ଯେଉଁ ବସ୍ତାଟିକୁ ସରକାର ଧରିଥିଲେ ବସ୍ତାର ଓଜନ ହେଲା 100 ଗ୍ରାମ।
ତାପରେ page 10 page 12 ଟା
Page 12
Yes, sir.
ପୁରା ସିଜିଓ ଲିଷ୍ଟଟା କାଇଁ ଏଇଟା କୁଆଡେ କଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି? ହେଲା ପେଜ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଇନକମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ପିଟିଓ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତା ନେକ୍ସଟ ପେଜଟା କଣ ହେଲା?
next page ଟା ତାପରେ
ତାପରେ ତ ଖାଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏକକିତା ବୁଝି ନେଲି ବୋଲି।
ତାପର page ଟା ଅଛି
ତାପର ପେଜ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି? ତାପର ପେଜ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଫ୍ରମ ସୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ଏଠି କିଛି ନାହିଁ। Tracking record. You have received the case diary?
No, my lord.
I am submitting that.
Bring it forward. ପ୍ରଥମ ଜରି ବସ୍ତା ଗଲା ତାର ଓଜନ କରିବାରୁ ଜରି ବସ୍ତା ସହିତ ମିଶିଲା 8.100 ଏବଂ ଖାଲି ବସ୍ତାର ଓଜନ ହେଲା 8.100 ଗ୍ରାମ ବାହାରିଗଲା। ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା 8 କେଜି। ତାପରେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଜରି ବସ୍ତାର ଓଜନ ହେଲା 18.100 ଜରି ବସ୍ତା ବାହାରିଲା। 18 ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଦିଟା ଆପଣ ଧରି ଯାଉଥିଲେ ପରା?
That's why they did 26 kg.
26 କେଜି।
20 from the petition ଅଛି by 18 kg ଗଞ୍ଜାମ ଅଛି।
କୋଉଠି ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ? ସେଟା କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ?
yellow color I have mentioned the yellow color ଅଛି।
ଅନ୍ୟ ଏକ ଧଳା ଜରି ବସ୍ତା 100 ଗ୍ରାମ ଦୁଇଶହ ମିଶି ଓଜନ ହେଇଛି ବସ୍ତାକୁ ପୁନା ବେରା ନା 2 ଜଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଅଛି
ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ତ ଆପଣ 2 ଜଣ ଯାକ 2ଟା ଜରି ବସ୍ତା ଧରିକି
ଗୋଟେ ସଳିତା ଯାଦବ 8 କେଜି
କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ଆସୁ ଏଟା କମର୍ସିଆଲ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ the land council for the state submit that he has not received the case diary as well as the criminal antecedent matter be listed on 21/2025. Yes, next.
Item 66.
Offense under section 221, 120, 132, 3096 of BNS Act, your lordship. In this case, your lordship,
Corresponding sections of IPC 61(2) criminal conspiracy.
your lordship.
तापरे 221
221,
हाँ
221, obstructing of public officers.
then 132
132, assaulting.
कौन assault? assault or criminal force to deter public servant from discharge of his duty. Then 115 टा कौन?
115 टा voluntarily causing hurt.
अच्छा अब बाकी रहला 310 अड़ा कौन?
310 टा committing डकैती.
डकैती 310 की केस डायरी फाइल आपको केस डायरी
Already other accused are released on bail, your lordship.
नहीं डकैती केस टा आसु CD
Your lordship, not डकैती, your lordship. Kindly see the FIR, your lordship. Only 3000.
Yes, next.
Item 67.
My lord, item number 67, 69, 71 and 77, my lord. In item number 69, the petitioner was arrested for commission of offence under section 3032 BNS corresponding to 379. And in all other cases, they were taken on remand.
No, এটা প্রথমে আগে কোন এই যে 303
আচ্ছা ফার্স্ট হলো বিএলএপিএল 121 এটা হলো রিমান্ড কেসটা
হ্যাঁ আদার অপশনস কোন
আদার অফেন্স হলো 3032 379
ଆଉ 317 ଅଛି 317 2 then
336
340
using first document as valid two documents.
What are these offenses?
গোটে 411 है तब
317 317 2 The receiver of stolen.
Again, 411.
336.
Forgery.
336 forgery. Then 340.
False document is read valid.
340 as a eloquent report form. Acha.
ସେଗୁଡା କିଛି ଆଟାକ୍ କରିବନି ବିକଜ କେସ୍ ଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଯେ ରୋଡ କଡ଼ରେ ଗାଡି ଥୋଇକି ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଯାଇଥିଲା ଅନନୋନ୍ ଲୋକ ଗାଡି କି ଚୋରେଇକି ନେଇଗଲେ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦ କେସ୍ ଇନ୍ all the cases. One case the petitioners was arrested and other cases they were remanded. Second case tare arrest hele 69
So you have got the papers of
No, from sir.
get the papers case diary which are the items 67
67 69
69
71 77
71 and
7
71 plus 77 है ना ये चैप्टर का मैटर रखी दिया उनके 20 तारीख को 21
Magistrate tribunal office बड़ा सब जगह
25 केस डायरी जानी बोली तो है ना 77 का मतलब आपने दिया और 67 chapter item,
chapter item.
Yes, next.
Item 68.
68, Mr. Nanda. अच्छी केस डायरी non-obvious केस डायरी में actually.
Item 60.
हाँ. What are the offenses? 395.
395 and 25, 27 are
Ask case diary also.
Mine.
Yes, next.
Item 70.
70, Mr. Panda.
May I be allowed on behalf of Mr. Ponda, my lord?
Yeah.
And offense under section, my lord, that is 331(2) and 331(4) and 305, my lord. There is corresponding offenses are 443 and 308. 380, 380.
Corresponding offenses of IPCR?
380 and 447, my lord.
380.
457, 380.
My lord.
Tinta offenses you can't look at.
Another that is after sunset.
Acha.
Page 11 shows rejection or he has involved in a series of cases which has been mentioned in the forwarding report of Venkana Sadar case such and such. So the antecedent is important.
You have got 48 cases, are criminal and case diary by Nandi.
No.
Acha. So the Learning Council for the state has pointed out from the rejection order that there are 48 criminal cases against the petitioner. Learning Council for the petitioner took some time to obtain instruction regarding the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit. Matter will be listed on 20th of January 2025. And comprehensive affidavit we filed and case diary we also obtained in the meantime. Yes, next.
Item 72.
Case diary issue?
No.
All right.
Obviously.
CD the commercial quantity. Adjournment month of 48,2025. Yes.
Item 73.
May I please alert?
70 similar to 56 months.
73?
Similar to 56 million. Another accused person.
66.
Not 6 months. 56.
Huh?
Item 56 man.
66 no?
No, 50. 50.
Yes.
5.
56, 56
Yes.
This is item number 73.
Yes.
No, 56 plus 70. That's it. Data mudra say order number.
CDO shape.
Item 74.
For me, please alert. Here the petitioner has been remanded in this case, my lord, on 9/12/2024 now. And the offences are under section 395, 427 of IPC, 25, 27 Arms Act, my lord. The allegation is that, my lord, five unknown culprit persons, my lord, came in two motorcycles by covering their faces, my lord, with mask and proceed to
395 ଅଛି କି case diary?
three antecedents are also there.
No, ये unknown ଲୋକଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ FIR ହେଇଛି. So whether he has been identified in the PI period or not, that you are to obtain inspection. So anantu case diary anantu. This is CT CA ODA AK 2025. Yes.
Item 75.
Petitioner is behind bars since 8/8/2024 for alleged commission of offence under section 71, 72, 123 and 137(2) of the BNS, read with 4(2) of the POCSO and 6 of the POCSO. 376D.
अच्छा ଆପଣ extra copy ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ notice ଯିବ ବାକି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ସବୁ ଲେଖା ହୁଏ PD 164 ଟା ପୁଣି ତାର corresponding ଏଟା ଲେଖିବେ ଆଉ medical exemption report ଟା ଆଣିବେ ଆଉ confirmation letter ଟା ଆଣିବେ relating to the service of notice on. Yes, next.
Item 76.
Lord, I am on virtual, my lord. Case under 467, 468, 471, 420, 34. Basic case of the prosecution is that the lady went to get a loan on collateral of the property for 10 lakhs and she was taken a second time. After having received the money second time, she signed further documents and she discovered that 80 lakhs has been given to where she herself stated that the thing will be given to a particular organization, enterprise called ISA Enterprises. And I am a chartered accountant, my lord, who only introduced the person for the purposes of the loan. I'm in custody from 7/6/2024. Sorry, my lord, 17/12. 17/12.
There is not there.
So, Mr. Das, this is the fast date and the State Council seeks some time to produce the case diary. And Mr. Pranab Chatui is appearing for the informant.
Fine, man.
Yeah.
My lord, can it be posted on 17th, man, on Friday, my lord, coming Friday? 20th, my lord, if I am...
Put up this matter, the Land Council, Yashovam Das, Land Senior Advocate, present to virtual mode. Land Council for the state submit that he has not received the case diary. Place this matter on 17th of January 2025. Yeah.
Deep love letter.
Item 78.
78, Mr. Maharana. 20B2 seat, a commercial quantity. Achi case diary achi.
State is not difficult.
अच्छा এটা এনসিবি আছে এনসিবি কি অ্যাপিয়ার করছে
Union of India.
ইউনিয়ন অফ ইন্ডিয়া কি কোন লাইট কট যাইছি কি অন্ধারুয়া লাগা কি
Mr. Party.
No, party.
My lord.
Have you received the instruction in this matter?
No, my lord. 2 is time, my lord.
You have received the copy of the bail application?
My lord, in this case, DR Bhokta is engaged. So in this regard, I will pray for time.
कहाँ नाग लिखी भी कौन दो?
DR Bhokta ना. DR Bhokta, my lord. My lord.
अच्छा. Non appears for the petitioner. A mention is made on behalf of Mr. D.R. Bhokta, London Central Government Council, for adjournment on the ground of for obtaining instruction in the matter. Release this matter in the week commencing from 27th January 2025. 27 तारीख राशिवो.
Oblige, my lord. Yes, my lord. I intimate this, my lord.
In the cause list henceforth. So his name will also be mentioned in the cause list. Okay. Yes.
Item 79.
Well, item 79, the other two connected matter was listed before my lordship, my lord, and it was fixed to that is along with BLAPL number 12577.
Just a minute. BLAPL number
12577
12577 of
24.
24
And another one is 130
130
21
of 24.
24. Both were fixed to 22/1/2015.
22/1/2025. Mr. Ajit Mr. Land Council appearing for the petitioner submits that the bail applications of the two persons in BLAPL number 12577 of 24 and BLAPL number 13021 of 2024 posted to by CAP measure purchase. Place this matter along with one.
They are in my lord, CD and all the relevant documents were called.
Case diary is available. Upon number tipping
Yes.
22 तारीख আছে. Yes.
Item 80.
proposal of 81. Yes, next.
Item 83.
498.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this is an offense under section 85-108 of BNS Act, your lordship. Here the present petitioner.
What are the corresponding section of the IPC?
498A306.
498A?
498A306.
Yeah.
Case diary is not.
Your
Case diary
lordship.
not there. So get the case diary and matter to be listed on 20th of January 2025. Yes.
Item 84.
Extension allowed.
Item 85.
85 in this case, my lord, other the OPID of the council was seek for time for filing objection, my lord. But they have not.
What is this interim application?
My lord, this is interim application. My lord was pleased to enlarge the petition on bail. I am the landowner. Neither I am informant nor I am accusing this case. But the money was supposed to be deposited in my account. But on the basis submission of OPID authority, it was deposited account of the OPID before the appeal on the OPID court. Here is the exactly an agreement between the accused and
What modification actually you want?
no, I just wondered, my lord, I am in serious financial crisis, my lord. The money which was supposed to be directed to be deposited in my account, it was deposited in the account of the.
Just a minute. No. Actually, the modification that आपण चाहूँगे नहीं Maheshwar Sahu petitioner has been directed to be released on bail.
Yes, my lord.
And the condition is that you have to furnish bail bond of rupees 200 wala. And you have to give an undertaking that you have to pay the balance amount of so and so.
Yes, madam.
In 12 equal monthly installment before the presiding officer, including the condition so and so. So have you been ever released from custody or not?
He has been released.
You have been released.
No, no, I am the petitioner.
He is not petitioner, my lord. He is no way related to this. He is another person. He is saying that once upon time I had to sell one piece of land to the present petitioner. Some amount is petitioner has to pay some amount.
That is a different matter.
My lord, may I? Because
IN number so this is a modification application by a third party. The petitioner has not filed any application for modification. Therefore, I am not inclined to modify the order.
My lord, may I have a small prayer before also. I will not take much more time.
ଆପଣ କାହାଠୁ କଣ ନେଇଥିବେ?
No, no, that is not the case. What my learned friend something that is absolutely false. Because my lord has given it. Well, my lord was pleased to give interim protection to the petitioner. He went into agreement with me. Now he has defrauded before this honorable court. They have given wrong statement for this honorable court, my lord.
Next case, item number 86.
Item 86.
Yes, 86.
Please, 20B2 manner. In this case, all the accused person released on bail by the solicitor. These are the copies.
1917 kg of ganja.
My lord.
Why it has come to me?
Earlier, your lordship had granted all the accused person released.
Why?
My lord, count allegation against.
You have got the case diary? Mr. Naik. Item number 86. Have you received the case diary? Wait.
Case diary is not there, my lord. The commercial quantity 1,917 kg of ganja.
And you served the copies of the bail orders also on the Land and Council for the state.
BLAPL 11401 of 2024.
Please supply him the copy of the bail order you have given us. Land and Council for the state submits that he has not received the copy of the case diary. Land Council for the petitioner handed over the bail order copy of who accused to the Land and Council for the state in court today. After receiving the case diary, the Land Council for the state shall verify the claim of parity put up this matter on 20th of January 2025. Yes.
Obligor.
Item 87.
87, Mr. Jayakrishna Mahapatra. You have received the case diary?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner. Case diary is received. Adjourned. Next.
Item 88.
The petitioner is inside custody since 12th November 2024 for commission of alleged offences under section 21B of NDPS Act.
12th, Kevin?
12 November 2024.
24.
6 gram of
6.25 gram of brown sugar.
Just a minute. It's a quantity cool like
page bar लिखा है.
Page bar. Rejection order is लिखा है.
Rejection order लिखा है mistake लिखा है. दीटा को accused
ଅଛି. 11.65 लिखा है.
Again, दीटा को accused ଅଛନ୍ତି. दीटा accused persons. ଜଣ ପାଖରୁ 6 ଗ୍ରାମ, ଜଣ ପାଖରୁ 5.
So from your possession it is
6 gram.
6 gram.
6.25 gram.
Hard the Land and Council for the petitioner and Council for the state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petition that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 12/11/2024. The quantity of brown sugar stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 6 gram, which is lesser than commercial quantity and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act not applicable. And after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Next.
Item 89.
May I? Petitioner is jail custody since 8/11/2024 For alleging offense 341, 323, 307, 379, 427, 506, 325.
307 कौन अच्छी?
Previous signature, while the petition, while the injured, his wife is also injured, another two friends were returning from the Puri,
Main
near
accused
the
has been
house
already
of
released on bail,
the-
madam.
near the house of the friend of the injured, the present petitioner and others attacked, as a result of which Arjun Manna sustained grievous injury, fracture of leg. Arjun, my lord. And his wife, Varsha Manna, sustained simple injury.
No, Arjuna को कौन injury पहला?
तार गोड़ा भांगी.
Fracture of leg.
Yes, fracture of leg and other injury, but they are simple in nature. The present petitioner is the absconder. Charge sheet submitted on 29/3/2023. The petitioner arrested on 8/11/2024. The petitioner has 4 criminal antecedents.
Main accused in this case, my lord, page 54, my lord, main accused has already been released bail, my lord.
Antecedents attached of 394.
Page 54, my lord. Main accused.
Case केबे करो?
2022, my lord.
ଆପଣ 2 ବର୍ଷ ଧରି absconder ଥିଲେ charge sheet ହେଇଗଲା
Charge sheet ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଧରା ହେଲେ.
Or the Learned and Counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 8/11/2024, and the one Arjuna has sustained a fracture injury on the leg, and the said injury is attributed to one co-accused, namely कौन था?
Satyaranjan Behera Jitu, my lord.
Satyaranjan Behera,
Behera, my lord, alias Jitu, my lord.
alias Jitu, who has already been released on bail, and charge sheet has already been submitted. And after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state, who submitted that the case is of the year 2022, and charge sheet was submitted in March 2023, showing the petitioner as an absconder. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition, shall appear before the Learned Trial Court on his date, which is the cases which were allowed. Next.
Item 90.
90, 493, 302, case diary is not there.
Case diary 9. CD Magantu, 20 तारीख.
Item 92.
Item 92, may I please to submit on behalf of Mr. Pradhan, my lord. One of the co-accused has been released on bail on similar footing, that has come, my lord. And case under section 310(4), 310(5), 1112A, 111. My lord, allegation that they have
corresponding
402
first case
and
registered ହେଇଥିଲା.
one of the
ତାପରେ forwarding ହେଲା 112A, that is organizing crime resulting death of any person. Punishment ଅଛି life, death or life
from
imprisonment.
this present petitioner. Yes, my lord, I have given the order. Similar footing, my lord. Seizure list I have already annexed. My lord, custody from 2/12/24. No criminal antecedent.
जो राजीव राणा जी
My lord, my lord.
part the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 2/12/2024. And similarly situated co-accused named Rajiv Rana has been released on bail by this court in BLAPL number 12696 of 2024 as per order dated 23/12/2024. And after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state, who has not disputed that the petitioner is similarly situated like the co-accused Rajiv Rana, and inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 93.
No, please. Allow the similar situated co-accused person proceed if the FIR is unknown.
IPC offense form.
Offense initially the case was registered 326F and forwarded under 126 to 109, 326F, 326G, 621, 2 of BNS, read the 25 Arms Act. and
IPC offense 126 to wrongful to
IPC
restraint.
Lordship.
109 attempt to murder. 326F mischief by fire causing damage to property. 326G mischief fire to house. 61 to criminal conspiracy.
अच्छा किए जाएगी बेल
One, Lordship Chandan Kumar Sethi, by BLAPL number 12676 of 2024, and another is 1303 of 2024, accused Shubhendu Kumar.
Same footing ଅଛି
Same footing, Lordship.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି
4 Lordship.
Are the land and council for the petitioner and council for the state?
ମୁଁ ସେଟା examine କରିନାହିଁ on the submission of the
Submission made by the land council for the petitioner that the petitioners are in judicial custody. 4/11/24 2024 and the ingredients of the offense under section 326 bracket G of BNS are not attracted, and first information report was lodged against unknown person, and thereafter the petitioners have been falsely entangled in the case, and similarly situated co-accused persons, namely Swanso in BLAPL number Swanso have been directed to be released on bail, and after hearing the land and council for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioners on bail allowed. Next.
Item 94.
May I please allow? My lord, here the offences are under section 305A, 331(3)(35 of BNS, my lord. Corresponding sections are 380, 454, 34 of IPC, my lord. My lord, the stolen articles are, my lord, gold ornaments that have been recovered, my lord, from one Rabi Narayan Mahapatra, my lord, who is a receiver of those articles, and he has been granted bail by your lordship. My lord, my lord. After melting the gold ornaments, sold those to Rabi Narayan Mahapatra co-accused.
Offense order कौन IPC offense order?
380, 454, 34 of IPC, and 413 receiving stolen property, habitual receipt.
किए जाइए bail.
Rabi Narayan Mahapatra alias Rabi, my lord, at flag A.
And you are in custody since when?
8/12/2024.
No, FIR is against unknown person.
Unknown person.
So during course of investigation, stolen articles were recovered from that person, who has been directed to be released on bail, Ravi Narayan Mahapatra. And then this petitioner's involvement came into picture. Are the land and council for the petitioner, land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 8/12/2024, and one co-accused, namely Ravi Narayan Mahapatra alias Rabi, has been directed to be released on bail by this court in BLAPL number 13037 of 2024. And after hearing the land and council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition. If ताদের जो condition था अच्छी से याद रखिए, है ना? Yeah.
Item 95.
That from there for Mr. S.K.Sahoo, your lordship, offense under section 296, 351, section 2, 351. Constitution 2/4/2022 for the offence of 302, 201 and 34 of the IPC.
Your bail application was earlier rejected.
You have to
Your BLAPL number 7923 of 20, সেটা কোন?
That again, if outer closing person also granted by your lordship, my lord. For us put time.
For hospital bail ହେଇଛି?
Eyewitness to 10 has
I know the petitioner and the collateral they conspired to kill the deceased.
No, what he says that the petitioner is similarly situated like that Kailash Patel, except that she is the wife of the deceased.
No, the Kailash Patel and the present petitioner have illicit affairs. They have
That was the motive behind the commission of the crime.
My lord.
You are in custody since when?
Which are vice?
Which are vice?
The rejection order shows that in the meantime some witnesses have been examined. Out of 38 witnesses, 4 witnesses have been examined. That is on 19/7/2024. That is a field. Now the con development is
Case चालू or trial तो चालू. Or the Land and Council for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is the widow of the deceased and she is in judicial custody since 2/4/2022. In the meantime, trial has already commenced and similarly situated co-accused Kailash Patel has been directed to be released on bail by this court in BLAPL number 7923 of 2024 as per order dated 30/11/2024. And further taking into account the provision to section 437 I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 97.
Mr. Ponda, case diary available achi? Non appears, CD available, adjourn. Next.
Item 98.
Non appears, adjourn.
Item 99.
Item 99 on behalf of Madam Jena. For the time may kindly be granted to file the surrender certificate.
Whether she has surrendered or not, he has surrendered.
He
or
has
not?
surrendered. We have instruction that.
The
he has
Land and
surrendered.
Council for the appellant submits that instruction has been received that the appellant has surrendered after availing the interim bail period and some further time may be granted to produce the surrender certificate. Put up this matter on such and such, however, in the meantime, instruction be obtained from the Land and Trial Court by the registered judicial, whether he availed this one so and whether he surrendered or not. And that report should be received within 2 weeks and matter be placed thereafter. Yes, next.
Item 100.
May I plus one? And have a glance to the order dated 7/12/2024.
possible matter. No.
No, no,